Before I get to how to actually pair these two products together, I'm going to very briefly talk about the benefits that COSRX Snail Mucin Essence can bring to our skin, particularly when it's paired with retinol or tretinoin. Number of studies have been done on snail mucin essence to show that it actually does work well on our skin. The thing with snail mucin is that it's not just one ingredient. It's made up of a few different ingredients, and all these ingredients bring their own set of benefits to the skin. It hydrates our skin, it heals our skin, it reduces the inflammation on our skin. It also has some well-aging benefits for our skin, and it's also shown to have some photo-aging benefits for our skin. And how this photo-aging can specifically help with the retinol and tretinoin pairing further down in the video. But just remember, in spite of all these benefits, snail mucin is not classified as a sunscreen. It is definitely not a sunscreen, and it's not classified as an anti-aging product. So it brings a variety of benefits all in small amounts, and so it cannot be classified into a specific category. One other thing snail mucin does is it increases the penetration of other ingredients that's put on top of the snail mucin. COSRX Snail Mucin Essence has 96% snail mucin. So in addition to all the benefits that the snail mucin brings to our skin, the COSRX Snail Mucin also has a few other good ingredients which can further heal our skin and increase the hydration on our skin. See, retinol and tretinoin can actually irritate our skin and can also bring a certain amount of dryness to the skin. So if you pair it with COSRX Snail Mucin Essence, because COSRX Snail Mucin Essence is very healing to the skin, calming to the skin, and adds hydration to the skin, it can kind of balance out the problems that retinol and tretinoin can bring to our skin. So it reduces the irritation and reduces the dryness that this retinol and tretinoin can bring to our skin. And also because the essence can increase the penetration of other ingredients that's put on top of it, the retinol or tretinoin can go a bit deeper into the skin and work more effectively for our skin. If you have sensitive skin and are already using retinol or tretinoin, don't pair it with the snail mucin, any snail mucin, because the penetration enhancement feature will actually increase the irritation of your skin. Also, if you're using retinol or tretinoin for the first time, don't pair it with the snail mucin essence till your skin kind of gets used to it. Just give it some time before you pair it with something new like a COSRX Snail Mucin Essence. So the way to pair these two products is, first, cleanse your skin. Cleanse your skin thoroughly with a good cleanser. Make sure there's no makeup or no sweat or no dirt on your skin. Cleanse it properly with a good cleanser. Then dry your skin with a towel, but don't dry it completely. There should be a little bit of dampness on your skin, but the skin shouldn't be wet. Then the essence won't work well. There should just be a slight amount of dampness on the skin. And then pump, because it's in a pump, the COSRX essence, 2 to 3 times onto your hand, on the palm of your hand, and this is the way I apply, and I find it most effective. So once I pump the essence onto my palm, I don't rub it too much between the two palms, because that's all unnecessary rubbing, and it can actually reduce the efficacy of the product. That's what I believe. So I pump the product on one palm and then press the other palm here tightly, gently, just for a microsecond, and then go straight up here and then pat it all over my skin. Because it's so jelly texture, as soon as I rub both the palms together, it is going to go, the product is also going to go into the other palm. So that's enough for me to spread it all over my face gently by patting it, and then I gently rub it. So all very gently. After that, leave it on your skin for about 30 to 60 seconds. Let it completely get soaked into the skin, and then apply your retinol or your tretinoin product. So let that also sit on your skin for about 30 to 60 seconds, and then finally put a good moisturizer on your skin. I prefer to use retinol and tretinoin only in my nighttime routine because I think it's safer for my skin that way. So I do recommend that you use it in the nighttime because it's better. Also, you know how I mentioned earlier in the video that the COSRX or any snail mucin essence has a photo-aging benefit. So you see, what happens is when you apply retinol or tretinoin, it makes your skin more photosensitive, meaning the next day when you step out, your skin will be more prone to get irritated by sun's UV rays. So the next day when you step out, sunscreen is a must. You don't apply sunscreen, that's going to cause a lot of damage to your skin, especially because you've used a retinol or a tretinoin product the previous day. Sunscreen is a must, but because the essence, the COSRX essence, the snail mucin essence has a photo-aging benefit, maybe use that first and put sunscreen on top of that, because that way the photo-aging benefit of the snail mucin will kind of help because your skin is extra photosensitive that day. That's it. I do want to mention a couple of things again. Don't go and buy this product just because you want to pair it with retinol and tretinoin. If you already have it, do consider it. And the second thing is, every time you use retinol and tretinoin, you don't have to pair it with this essence. I don't use the same kind of flaring every time. So I try to alternate it. That's good for the skin that way. And finally, I do want to mention that the COSRX Snail Mucin Essence is a good product. So if you don't have it, you want to add something new to your skin cabin, do consider buying it because it's a good product. I've got another video where I explain in depth the benefits it can bring to our skin. So I'll leave a link to that video somewhere here. Do watch that video. That's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like and do subscribe to my channel. That will really help me a lot. Bye for now.